Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And if you like this particular video, be sure to hit that like button, maybe even share with a friend. Those all really do help out the channel. So today's product I want to share with you is a great kids toy, or for adults. It is a high-speed race boat. This is by a company called Hendee, and it is the Shadow Storm speedboat. This is the box it comes in. I will include a link that will take you to Amazon if you want to check it out and see what the current price points are, see if it's on sale, all that kind of fun stuff. But yeah, so the boat is designed for ages 8 and plus. It is incredibly fast. Now, I haven't tested this because I don't have a radar gun or anything like that, but it says it goes to up to 25 miles an hour. I can say it goes super, super fast. And I'm going to show some footage of us racing this around in the pool. Once you open it up, let's go over everything you're going to get. So you're going to get the boat itself. Which kind of has a cool different look. It has different colors and whatnot. On the back here, you see the propeller, and it's got the fins and everything. And then you're going to get also this little rubber piece. And this is, you can put on it if you're kind of in a smaller space, like a pool. And it keeps you from damaging the front tip here. But if it's being displayed, or you're out in a lake or something like that, and you're not worried about colliding with anything, then you don't need to have this included. Now, they also include a little these little pieces that you can put together, and it makes a nice little stand, so you can kind of put it on display up on a shelf or something when you're not using it, which is really nice. You're also going to get the remote control, which we'll go over here in a minute. You're going to get the rechargeable battery, and then you're going to get the charger for the battery, which is real simple. You just plug it in like so. Got it backwards there. Plug it in like so, and then this is a just USB, and then there's a light in here that'll be red, let you know it's charging, and when it's done, it'll turn off. And you're gonna get a little instruction booklet, which just kind of gives you some more details on the specs and whatnot if you want to flip through that. And then finally, you're gonna get this little pouch that has basically some extra tools. So it includes extra propeller in case it gets damaged, a little screwdriver to get the battery, or the screw off the battery compartment, and then a little kind of wrench thing to help with changing out the propeller. So you got some extra little spare parts in case something happens while you are racing. All right, let's kind of go over some of the details. One of the cool things about this boat is it has a basically anti-capsize recovery, whatever you want to call it. If it kind of flips over, well, it automatically will rebalance itself and flip back to the right position. Now, it's also liquid cooled. So there's a little pipe here, and it sucks in the water, and that keeps the motor nice and cold. So that's kind of really cool. So this is what the inside looks like. You can kind of see the pipe here that is taking the water and sliding it through. And kind of to show you the battery goes right there. You're just going to take this, plug it in. You'll hear a snap. If you don't hear a snap, you didn't get it secured. Then just kind of slide this into the battery compartment, like so. And then you can put the lid back on. And then there is a lock here, which you put in the lock position. Now, it also has built into it an alarm. So when it gets too far from the remote, or if the battery is going to run out, it will start beeping and let you know. So that way you can get it back to shore before the battery dies out. Now, the remote is a 2.4 gigahertz signal. And it says the signal will go up to 150 meters. I have not been able to test that because I've only used it in our pool, and obviously it's not 150 meters. So that's kind of, it has a long range, which is kind of cool. And then another thing that which is really nice is it won't start until it's in the water. So if you turn it on, it's kind of more of a safety feature. You're not having to worry about the motors spinning and hurting your hand or anything like that, which is really, really cool and great for kids. And there's also some built-in LED lights, one there and one on the other side, that will light up at night. So you can kind of drive it around at night, maybe not, oh, and then there's two in the back here and here, which is kind of nice. So you can kind of see if you're out playing with it in the evening time. Now, the remote control itself, on the bottom here, there is a screw thing to keep this from coming off. I've already taken it off, but it takes basically 4 AA batteries. You close that, and then your trigger is basically forward and backwards, and then this wheel is a turning mechanism, and then you have the on button, and then you can press this for the LED lights. And then on the front here, you have a speed button, and this will tell you basically whether you're going the faster mode or the slower mode. It has what's called a demo mode, which is basically like an autopilot mode, and it will do just basically figure 8s. Then you got these trimming modes. So it's got lots of customizable features for you, which is really cool. Like I said, it's a really awesome little race boat. Has a lot of very unique features that's kind of come a long way. And that's basically it. So let's go ahead and kind of drop this in the water so that way you guys can see what it looks like and how it works. And then we'll come back and give you my final thoughts. Okay, so that's basically it. You've seen it in action. Like I said, it's a great little kid's toy for your son, your daughter, grandchildren, yourself. Cool little device. I'll include a link, like I said, that'll take you in the check it out in the description. It'll take you to Amazon. You can see what the current price points, if it's on sale, etc. And yeah, that's basically it. So feel free to leave a comment if you got any questions. I do typically respond. And until the next video, you guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you're a rock star. You made it to the end of the video. Now, if you really want to become a legend, help me out, hit that subscribe button. And then it always helps also if you hit that like button and share these videos. Till the next one, you guys take it easy.